Alright guys, so today we're gonna be unboxing Pac-Man mini arcade machine, full color screen, try me, Man Pack. We're gonna be unboxing Pac-Man, Man Pack, Pack Balls, Man Pack, Pack Ball. Alright, let's just get unboxing, alright? Let's see what it says on the top. Pac-Man Arcade Classics. Alright. Then we got classic arcade gameplay, full color TFT screen, arcade style joystick, authentic arcade sounds. That's very nice. Anyways, we're gonna get unboxing. Alright. There's tape here, so I'm gonna get some scissors. Alright, so we got the scissors. So we're gonna there we go. Yep. Alright, now let's get unboxing. Okay, I might need two hands. Alright guys, so I'm unboxing it. This is cool unboxing, I guess. And here it is, but we need to take it out, obviously, because we're on. Alright guys, so we're gonna take it out. There we go. We took it out. And yeah, oh wait, there's something behind right here. All right, looks like, I guess these are the instructions. Yeah, here it is. And yeah. Oh my god. All right, guys, some quick ASMR. I don't know if you can hear my family in the background, but I hope you guys don't. Oh yeah, I forgot. This is ASMR. Guys, this is ASMR. Okay, that just sounds cool. All right, bro, I did not ask you to be in the video. Bro, get. Anyways, guys, we unboxed it. Okay, well, we took off the tape. We didn't really unbox. Okay, you know what? Never mind. Okay, so okay, I'm pretty sure you're supposed to like twist these or I'll fix. Guys, I kind of dropped this on the floor and I think it's okay. Anyways, anyways, I think this might need batteries. Well, no. Alright, guys, so we found some batteries, and oh shit. Oh frick. I'm gonna cut that. Okay, anyways, I found a screwdriver, and yeah, we're gonna put the batteries. Guys, there was already batteries in here, and, I'm gonna try turning it on. Press to start. It is this shit, bro. Hey guys, I think I got it to work. Wait, no way. We pressed that. Oh my gosh, I got her to work, guys. I already had batteries in it. Wait, guys, watch me cook. Guys, I'm. Okay, guys, we don't not talk. Anyways, guys, that's the end of the unboxing video. Yeah, this thing is actually pretty cool. I actually got this on my birthday, yeah, okay, so we're just gonna do a quick gameplay and see if I'm good at this game, alright? Alright, let's do this. Oh shit. Okay, we don't not talk about that. We have another chance, alright? Frick. Okay, let's go this way. Let's get the power pet. Oh oh no. Go! Oh my gosh. Get the power pet. Guys, we do not talk about. I won! Oh, no, we're not gonna do this again. Hey, we kind of doing good. Just go up and then up. Okay, yeah. And yeah, and my sister told me that she couldn't find one of these, but she found one at Walmart, and it was the last one. So if you guys, if one of y'all wanted this for like your birthday or something, then too bad, too sad. I got the last one.